Hi teachers, I'm going to show you how to upload an activity onto Seesaw. So we're going to start with, there we go. We're going to start with how to go ahead and grab a screenshot. So you just do Command Shift 4, and then I just screenshotted this record the major scale slide. And now it's on my desktop. And then I go into Seesaw and I go on to all my fifth grade classes. And I do have to do this for all of my fifth grade classes, but it's not too many. So I'm going to go start with Loma Vista and then hit the plus button, share activity, create new, and then I'm going to call it record major scale. And then I go down here, student template. I type instructions for the student. So I already did that and I hit copy. So I said, using this template, record yourself singing the major scale on solfege, save in the scale assessment folder. Now I'm going to add a template for students to edit. I go to add file, select from computer, and I have that screenshot that I just made. Double click. And now I'm going to hit the check button, check again, preview, and then share. And now, now it's an activity for the students to do. All they have to do is add a student response. And then they record themselves singing the scale. Hit the submit button when they're done. And then let's see if I can do it. So I recorded my scale, submit. They don't have this prompt, but we do as teachers. And then I think after the fact, you've got to put it into the, we have to create a folder. So I create a folder in all of my classes for scale assessment. I love this feature because now when I go to grade, all I have to do is look in those folders, and then it has what I need. So now that's in the scale assessment. And then if I need to, I can delete that, and I'm pretty sure that's my recording. So I'll just delete it. But my kids still see the activity. So if you go to activity, they still have their record a major scale. And that's it. Please let me know if you have any questions. I found it super easy. Hopefully this video was helpful. Bye.